So today we will start with geometry, lesson number 1, the similarity. Similarity. Match 2, lesson 1. M2. So last year means in standard 9, you have seen what are the tests. You know the sentence a South African said, so say I love you, stay at school and hug Sachin. Most of my students would be knowing it. And it would be very easy how many tests, which test, but it's not very difficult to remember. Some basic theorems on which the other theorems are dependent, and some of the questions of 1 mark, 2 mark question, they also come. So first of all we will say theorem 1 or property 1. The ratio of two triangles is equal to the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding corresponding base and height. There is a lot of noise outside. The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. So any two triangles, they have not said that they are the similar triangles. How I can go for the proof. I will have two triangles, any two triangles. This is one triangle ABC. This is another triangle PQR. If I want to find the ratio of the areas of two triangles, what we need the base and the height. So suppose in this base is BC. So which will be the height? Draw a perpendicular from the opposite vertex. So this way if I take, this is suppose D. Here also on QR as the base, and this is M. So don't forget to write the steps given to prove and then the proof, as the place is less. That's why I am just avoiding some of the steps. You can do those steps given. What is given? In triangle ABC, BC is the base, AD is the height. In triangle PQR, QR is the base, PM is the height. And what we have to prove? Area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to product of the base and height BC into AD upon QR into PM. Okay, I will write one to prove. Given you will write to prove. What we have to prove? Area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. Means the area of triangle ABC, its base BC into height is AD upon, for this triangle, QR into PM. Proof. Area triangle ABC equal to 1/2 into its base into height. Therefore, area triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into ABC base is BC into height is AD. This is number 1. Now, area triangle PQR is equal to area triangle PQR, its base is QR. So 1/2 into QR into the height is PM. Number 2. Now I want area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR. So I will divide this. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AD upon area triangle PQR is half into QR into PM from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. This half will get cancelled. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PM. So in short, what we can say, hence the proof. Hence proof. This we will write. Generally this question is not asked, but it is board. They can ask, it is in the textbook. They can ask for 2 marks also. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR means A1 upon A2 is equal to base into height, means B1 into H1. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. That way, in the shortcut, we write, how we write, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. This way we have to remember. See that these 2 triangles are any 2 triangles, different triangles. They are not stated similar triangles. They are not stated like this. Okay. For this SOR, I am not going in much detail for such proofs, but when we will start theorems, we will go in much detail. Each and every step we should be in a position to complete. Okay. Now the theorem, another theorem, a simple theorem, the ratio of the triangles, of 2 triangles, having equal base. Having equal base. Is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Corresponding heights. They have the equal base. Here, this for this purpose, I will write given, so that you should do it in a proper way. Area triangle, this is the ABC, this is PQR. The bases are equal, they have said in the statement. BC and QR are equal, given. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, bases are equal, so BC equal to QR. Heights are not equal, you can see. I will draw the height, AD, and this is PM. Heights are different, but BC is equal to QR. Then what to do in this? The same way, given. To prove, I will write, to prove area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to AD upon PM. See the statement. The ratio of the areas of two triangles having equal base is equal to the ratio of their equal bases, I will say, is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Corresponding heights means their heights. So this is area triangle ABC, this is this side, this is other side. Proof. As usual, we will proceed. First of all, BC is equal to QR, that is given. This is statement number 1. Now, integral area will find area triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into its base BC into its height AD. Number 2. Area triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into its base is QR into the height is AD. Number 3. From 2 and 3 means I will divide, therefore area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to, definitely this half will get cancelled and directly I will write BC into AD upon QR into AD, no, this is PM. QR into PM. Into PM. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. That means I have divided. Now, BC and QR are same. So, For this QR, I can say it is BC because BC and Q are same. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon BC into PM, because BC and QR are same. Reason I will give from 1. Therefore, now this BC and this BC will get cancelled. So what remains? Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to AD upon PM. Hence proved. So definitely you would have understood this. In general, if the bases are equal, then area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to H1 upon H2. So in general, what I will say, if base is same, if base is equal, if base is equal, A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. Now same way you can go for the third of this, and that is if the heights are equal, then the ratio of the areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So you might have written this. Now I will take that third one. This was second. This was second. I will not change that number. Now the third one I will just make the ratio of the areas of two triangles having equal heights. Is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now in this the figure will change. Heights are equal. That means this triangle PQR and this triangle would have the same heights. PQR. And I will draw the height PM. Now see this, the bases are different. And the heights are same. So same way we can go, given in triangle ABC and PQR, AD is equal to PM. Here AD equal to PM. AD equal to PM, the same theorem. So to prove bases are same, so heights are same, therefore the ratio of their corresponding heights means corresponding bases BC and this will be QR. So to prove this, now what is given? AD is equal to PM. Given. Same way, this won't change. Therefore, area triangle this will be same from 2 and 3. Now in the third, here what I will change is only this. So BC into AD upon QR into PM and AD are same. So here I can write AD. and then cancel this. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases, means DC upon QR. Now here in short, if base is equal, instead of that I will write if height is equal, then A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. This way we can complete it. So you might have understood this. These are very, very important basic things of this lesson. So that there are some other theorems, BPT is there, and area up to similar triangles, that property is there, that theorem we have to prove using this concept. So for today that's all, and in the next video we will see for some theorems, because in the same those big theorems we can't complete, the video will be too long.